What's up everybody, it's your boy, and let's be real, who doesn't want extra cash? Especially as a teen, right? We've got games to buy, snacks to devour, and let's not forget those epic online purchases. So today, we're diving headfirst into the world of online money making, specifically for all you awesome teenagers out there. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to make money online. We're talking easy, fun, and totally legit ways to earn while chilling in your PJs. No more begging your parents for allowance. It's time to become your own boss. Alright, first up we've got freelancing. This is where you get to be your own boss and choose the gigs you want. Are you a Photoshop whiz? Boom! Offer graphic design services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, a wordsmith extraordinaire, write articles, website content, or even killer social media captions. The possibilities are endless. You set your rates, pick your projects, and watch the cash roll in. And the best part? You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. No more boring office cubicles for you. Freelancing is all about freedom and flexibility, making it perfect for busy students. So, brush up on your skills, create a killer portfolio, and get ready to conquer the freelance world. Next up, we're diving into the world of online surveys. I know, it might not sound as exciting as designing a video game or writing a best-selling novel, but hey, who doesn't love getting paid for their opinion? Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie will actually pay you to share your thoughts on everything from the latest gadgets to your favorite snacks. It's super easy. Just sign up, complete surveys, and earn points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Sure, it's not going to make you an overnight millionaire, but it's a simple and effortless way to earn some extra spending money in your spare time. Plus, you might even get to influence the development of new products and services. So, ditch those mindless scrolling sessions and start earning while you share your valuable opinions. Chapter 3, Sell Your Stuff. From crafts to collectibles. Are you a master crafter, a vintage clothing enthusiast, or a collector of all things cool? Then listen up, because this one's for you. Turn your passion into profit by selling your creations or treasures online. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for handmade goods, while eBay is a haven for everything from rare sneakers to vintage video games. Set up your shop, showcase your products with awesome photos and descriptions, and watch the orders come pouring in. You'll be making money doing what you love, and how cool is that? Plus, who knows, you might even turn your side hustle into a full-blown business empire. The sky's the limit when you're your own CEO. Chapter 4. Tutoring. Share your knowledge, earn big bucks. Alright brainiacs, this one's for you. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, or a science fanatic? Then why not share your knowledge and earn some serious cash through online tutoring? Platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com connect you with students from all over the world who need help in your area of expertise. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and make a real difference in someone's education. Plus, let's be real, there's no better way to solidify your own understanding of a subject than by teaching it to someone else. It's a win-win situation. So, dust off those textbooks, polish your teaching skills, and get ready to become an online tutor extraordinaire. Chapter 5. Content creation. Build your empire. Last but definitely not least, we're talking about content creation. This is where things get really exciting. If you're passionate about something, whether it's gaming, beauty, fashion, or anything in between, share it with the world through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. Create engaging content, build a loyal following, and watch as brands line up to collaborate with you. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, there are tons of ways to monetize your platform. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and never be afraid to experiment with new formats and ideas. You never know what might go viral and catapult you to internet stardom. And there you have it, guys. 5 awesome ways to make money online as a teenager. Remember, the internet is your oyster, so get out there, explore your options, and start earning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.